So by now, you will have seen the training video that explains how the Business Management System, or BMS, works and what it looks like. And if you had any questions, you would have asked the quality team, who would have been delighted to assist you. In this video, we will look at the software package that manages the BMS. It is called FLAG, and this stands for File Locally, Access Globally. This means that we can access the BMS in real time wherever we are, Tianjin, in Houston, on a vessel, anywhere. FLAG is web-based, so wherever you can access the internet, you can access FLAG and the BMS. In time, every employee in BGP Offshore will be able to access FLAG and the BMS. So, how do you access FLAG? You will be given a link, which will take you to the FLAG site. You will all be given your own unique login details and access permissions, depending on your role in the company. And when you open up your browser on the FLAG portal, you will be required to enter your username and password. This will take you to the front page. You will see at the top of the screen Start, Document Management, and People. Let's look at Document Management first by clicking on it. FLAG will open and present you with some options. Click on the folder BGP Offshore BMS. The folder opens and there before you is the BMS. The structure should look familiar. Does it? All of BGP Offshore documents are kept in FLAG, although you may not see all of these folders depending on your access permissions. We also have location-specific documents, such as work instruction and task risk assessments. By using FLAG to manage our documents, we ensure that they are controlled and that only the correct versions of the documents are used. We can also manage the document revision review process through FLAG. But FLAG does so much more than just document control. Let's go back to the Start page. You will see that there are shortcuts to each location. In each location, there are a range of tabs that we can use. Let's look at the BGP Offshore Corporate location. You can see that within this location, we keep all the documentation and records for that specific location or level in the company. For example, if we click the Project tabs within BGP Offshore, we can see that all the information, documents, and records about projects are kept here. Let's choose a project. We can see that all the information about the project is in the one place. Risk assessments, objectives, minutes of meetings, audit reports, etc. This information is accessible to the vessel, to the management team in Tianjin, and even to the clients should they want to track their project. This is one of the reasons our clients have reacted very positively to BGP Offshore implementing FLAG. FLAG is well known and respected in the oil and gas industry and gives our clients the transparency and traceability that provides the reassurance that they are in safe hands with BGP Offshore. Let's take a look at the BGP Prospector tab. Again, all the processes and records for BGP Prospector can be found here, and so it is for the other locations. But FLAG does more than just manage documents and records. FLAG also generates work items. Work items are tasks or actions that are generated through FLAG from, for example, audits, document reviews, management of change, non-conformances, and idea and opportunities, to name a few. On the Start page, FLAG will show you what work items have been allocated to you, and it will tell the work item originator when you have completed the work item. And FLAG can also generate reports from many parts of the database. The final section is the People tab. All the employees, their qualifications, certificates, medicals, etc. can be managed through FLAG. FLAG allows us to manage all of our BMS efficiently and effectively. And if we want to change the way something is done, we change it. Flag is totally flexible and can be easily changed to suit our needs. And that is your overview of Flag. There is of course much more to learn, but that will be the subject of other training videos. As ever, if you have any questions about Flag, please don't hesitate to ask any member of the quality team who will be happy to help.